Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you always have been here, hey. This week's nail tutorial, I am going to do a fun one, and it takes me back to my younger days that I always played Tetris, and I always loved playing Tetris when I was younger. So I decided to put the Tetris on my nails. So that's what I'm going to do for this week's nail tutorial. It's pretty exciting, happy, and it's pretty cool, pretty nostalgic. So if you're ready for some Tetris nails and you want to learn how to do them, sit back and relax and continue watching. But before you continue watching, go down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that great notification bell twice so you'll really be notified for all the videos that I do each week, which is 3. And go ahead and like this video if you like Tetris. I mean, if you don't know Tetris, you're missing out. But if you like Tetris, go ahead and give this video a like, and go ahead and share this video as well. So let's get started with this video.
You got me singing way oh, way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh.
So you guys, let's get started with these Tetris nails. So to begin with, you want to prep your nails and put a base coat. Once you get done with all of that, you're going to want to apply your black nail polish, any black nail polish that your heart desires. So apply that black nail polish with 2 coats. And then I just got this new nail polish, and it's this chromey shift of purple to blue color that you'll see that I put on top of the black. That's like a topper, and it was a nice little cool topper color on the black. So you apply that 1 coat of that on top. So once you have the topper color, chromey color on the black, you're going to want to start all the detailing of the Tetris board. So I started with a white first, and I just applied a border around the nail. So like on the free edges of the nail, just 1 line border around, and then on the tip of the nail, you want to make it a little bit thicker than the border, but just another line down there. And yeah, to make it just like a border, so you can have the Tetris pieces set in that little box. And then you want to leave no white lines around the cuticle area, just none of that, just on the edges and the free edges of the nail, and then on that tip of the nail. Have that border like on a piece of paper, you can figure out each nail how you would want the Tetris pieces to be on your nail. The T shape, the L shape, the Z shape, the just 1 long line shape, however you want to use them, or the box, square box one, however you want to use them. Figure that out on a piece of paper, I suggest. And then at this point, after you got the border and figured out where you want them, you want to apply it with the white again, the shapes and where you want the pieces to be on your Tetris board on each nail. So that takes a little bit of a time, but it's worth it. And so once you have all that done, you want to apply the lines of each piece. You want to try to have each piece to have the even squares boxes and even it up, and just like a Tetris piece. So you want to make sure it's all even and precise and as you can get it, and you want to do that for each piece so you can see each little individual square on each individual piece. So I hope that wasn't too confusing, but once you have the individual squares of all the pieces on every nail figured out, you're going to want, with the outline of in black, you want to apply the colors now. So with the colors I used for the L shapes, I used a light green. For the long L shape, this long shapes of long L shape, I used an orange, a light orange. For the T shapes, I used a purple, and for the Z shapes, I used a red. And I didn't even think about doing a square, but if you choose a square, do another one. You can look up the actual Tetris colors if you want to use the actual colors to represent it, or use whatever color, but those are the colors that I use. So you want to go use each one and color in each square for that shape. And once you begin doing that, the Tetris board becomes more alive. And don't worry if you kind of go outside the black box or anything, because you're going to go back and fill those black shapes in. And so don't worry if you go out of line too much. Let's try to stay in the line. Okay, so you at this point have all the colors on there, as you should. So you want to redefine these black lines to make sure they're all perfect little squares. So you want to go use that black again to redefine all the lines. define the lines, and then if you mishaps anywhere else, you fix it with black and then apply that chromey color back on top, and it's all good. Once you redefine everything and everything looks good to you and you're done, you feel done with it all and everything's filled in, all the boxes are filled in, you might have to go back in with the white and fix the border on some of the parts of the border. You might want to fix that if you're really tedious about everything, but like I am. So I went back with the white and fixed the border part as well, so it's nice and clean. Then everything should be done by now. So then you're going to want to put a quick drying top coat. I have the Pro Effects High Gloss quick drying top coat, and so I apply that on all the nails. And once you have all the nails with your quick drying top coat, my favorite step of the whole thing, you have succeeded and done some Tetris nails. And yeah, so feel proud, feel excited like I did. These came out very awesome. So yeah. So you guys, what do you think of these Tetris nails? These are freaking awesome. I was pretty excited when I got done with them. They're a little different. I have done these before, and I just revamped the Tetris nails. And so I really liked it. I hope you liked it. Go down below and give me some comment, give me some love down below. And so yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I see you next week with another nail tutorial. Bye guys.